The goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside of the square frame. But here is a twist. Once you start solving it, you will put one piece, since it's obviously occupying a lot of space, and goes somewhere here. Then you add 2 parts, then you add 3 parts, and there is not enough space for the last piece. And you have to figure out the way how to fit all of them inside. This is the total puzzle. It was designed by Akazu from Japan. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the total puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, you have to try lots of options how to put parts inside until you figure out that these parts actually they fit together nicely. You just have to find the correct orientation of parts. Like, as you can see, these two, they go together very nicely. Then there is another one, and it seems like there is no such cut here to fit it, but if you put it right in here, you can't actually slide it in. That is the trick. When you try it like that, it doesn't work. You have to lift it up and put it down like that. It fits absolutely well. And then the last piece, again, it fits so nice, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, the solution looks quite logical and obvious, but once you solve it first time, it really feels difficult and impossible to solve. If you like the total puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Akazu, go to puzzlemaster.ca.